Hello, in this video I would like to show you how to upgrade this 10.4 inch from its original LED strip to our newest, the brightest LSR series LED. This kit comes with the one LED strip already installed L-shaped reflectors, one drivers, you can mount anywhere, just peel off the upside tape, and one 6-pin pigtail connectors. So let's take a look at this screen. Okay, the screen is made by Mitsubishi. It's a pretty nice one, and the screen part number is AA104SH02. Okay, AA104SH02. It has a LVDS interface. The resolution is 800 by 600. To remove, while the original LED strips mount here, it requires a special drivers for this particular LED strips. So remove it is quite easy. You see these 3 screws holding the LED strip. So you just simply remove it, these 3 screws. Then okay, second one, you just pull it out. It's quite easy. You just stick it in, and our LEDs, LSR series, it's quite easy. Okay, so you see the clip here. Okay, take it out. Here's our LED strips, our LED kits. So basically you can just stick it out just like that. You can just leave it like that, or you want to make it nicer, or maybe it's a little bit longer. Then what you can do is that, but before you do that, there's a protective film you need to remove. Okay, here we go. See that? You need to remove it. Okay, what I do is I try to make it nicer. We cut off at this end a little bit. Just use a wire cutter. It's quite simple because this is really thin aluminum profile. Okay, one end done. So this end I would like to make a hook, so you can hook back there, and would be looks a little bit nicer. I show you why. See that? So just make sure clean and stick it in. Just came right back. This thing I forgot to cut this end. See this? Make a perfect fit. So you can add a piece of tape to secure the wires, and what you should do is just like this. If you want to, you can add a piece of aluminum foil to cover the lights to keep bleeding out. It's really up to you, but usually you put it inside the machine, you won't see it even though you don't use this. Because I like this. Okay, it's done. So this end plug in here, and this end actually comes with 6-pin pigtail color coded. Red is for the input, 10 to 24 volt. Black is for power ground. White is for adjustment, no connection, and the yellow it's for the enable. If you don't have enable, you can shut out this JP5. We have all this information on our website. But anyway, let's take a quick look. I have my tester here. I have the wire already. See that? This is our tester. Connected here. See what originally, based on its data sheet, it will say it has about 700 nits. So let's have a look. Okay, connect this one to it. Make sure you can see better than this one. So now you see the difference, but let me get rid of this white. I mean the lights. Okay, let's put it on white. Same meter that you have watched the other video before. Alright, 1784. 1784. 1767. 1714. So basically, simply just swap out its original LED strips, and then you almost get almost triple of its original light needs. So again, this is the LED strips. You know, it's a, if the LED strips bad, or maybe driver's bad, it's probably the time to upgrade to our LSR series LED kit. The part number is LSR 23065112122RR. Thank you for watching.